Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to create header footer for specific page or for specific header and specific content and specific footer as well as. So if we are using our free plugins, we have not use any pro or premium plugin. So let's start it. Before starting, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, please thumbs up our video if you like it. So let's start it. First you need to go to your plugins, add new plugin. You need two plugins. One is Elementor, which is already installed, and this is a free, and other plugin is header and footer. So type header and footer, go to this one and install this plugin. Once the install, activate the plugin. Once you have activated your plugin header and footer builder, so now go back to here, Elementor header and footer. You can see our menus under the appearance. You just add it. I'm the WordPress, just a beginning, even you can skip it. So here's this is my header. So header, and select that option type is a header. You can also choose a before footer, and you can also choose a custom block as well as. So I'm choosing header. Display on entire website, a singular page. You can choose according to your requirement. So I'm using an entire website. You can also exclude a specific page. You can add here a front end page, 40 page. You can change anything else you want. So user role, you can also set it. If you use logged in and logged out, you can also set user role as well as. So enable the layout of element canvas. If you want to use our canvas, so you can just check it and publish it. After publish, before you can see this is the default header. Now I am reloading because now there is no header because we have set up here. So now let's add it with the Elementor. So here's our now you can create your header according to your requirement. Just I'm creating like this image for logo and nav menu. So navigation menu here, and also last one is buttons, social icons. I'm just adding here. This is my basic requirement. So set him up a logo. If you have a logo, you just choose it. I'm choosing this one. So logo is selected, and the stuff is also selected. You can also modify some styling and stuff related to this. Just reload it. You can see my header is appearing here, and you can also modify your styling according to your requirement. I'm not doing much styling related to because my concern main is related to this. I'm just use. So social icons is too big. Oh yes, make it small. Yes, now fine. Just reload it. So entire site you can see on about us page. My header is same. If you want to multiple headers, you just go back here, just add one more template, header 2, select option is a header, a singular, all no all pages, a specific page, a specific content. You can just choose about page, select it, and user all user canvas, publish it, just reload it. You can see there's no header because we have need to create header for this as well, separate for about us, because we home is already set up. For once we have on home page, header is there. If we have on about us, because there is no header created yet, just create it, yeah, like this only. Yes, also image, our logo is white, no, black, logo and menu, can choose menu, update it, just reload it. You can see our header is set up like this. And also you can set up your footer as well. As you can set up a specific, you can set up a create a multiple footers, before footer, after footer. Currently what we have a footer, this one we have a basic footer, so we have just creating a footer. Footer, select option, footer, select entire website or role, canvas, publish it. Just see currently what we have, because we have this one theme footer. Once we are reloading, footer is hiding, and now it's implemented, this one. So you can create your footer according to your requirement. Multiple, you can set up a multiple like this, add one more widget, 3 widgets. You can add menu, here's menu, vertical menu, because this is a footer, and center, yes. You can add you can add logo here. I'm using white here because I need to set up colors black. No, not need to, just set up a black color of background. Logo need to be a little small, left align, and text area for some description. Description also white, so you can just add some description related to your website, and here's need to be also white color. So color is set up, and here's add some newsletter. If we have no, we just posts. So this is our premium, so we need to add something else like a social icon. We just add socials, squares. Okay, one column, left line. If you want to vertical, you can just add like this. Need to increase spacing, padding is too high, like this. Size is little small, I think so. Spacing is not working on our vertically. Row gap, you can just use a row gap, yes. Need to increase row gap and increase little size, yeah, fine. Update it, and now reload it. You can see So here's a short video related to how to create a free header and footer without any premium plugin, and also how to create a specific header and specific footer for a specific pages, specific post type, specific post taxonomies, and as well as if you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest and more content. Thank you.